Here we go. We back at GotEm-Fishin down here in Weston. That is the great Percy Crews right there. Trying to bring it in. Brent trying to bring it in. Look at that. Look at that. Percy Crews, GotEm-Fishin, Weston, Florida.
Trying to get her.
Hold it up and show to the peeps, Percy. There you go. Percy Crews, Peacock Bass, Weston Florida,
baby.
all day, every day. That's how we do it. Yep.
How we do it where?
Weston, Florida. GotEm-Fishin.
That's how we
do it.
Fishing, baby.
Yep.